Happy Summer Solstice 2022! Yay!
Beautiful sunset. Birds flying to their nests.
Happy Summer Solstice! Happy thundering summer rains!
Extremely heavy rainfall and very loud thunderstorm and lightning, very scary. just now we witnessed one bolt from the blue, very high intensity lightning, and I missed it in my camera. Same gira. Wala ka bote lor gira. You can hear the sound. The loud sound of the thunder and lightning. And today is 21st June 2022. Again, oh wow! Like somebody is throwing nuclear bomb on Earth.
Lightning bolt all over.
You can hear the loud thunder sound here in parts of Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India. Again, it's around 4:45 p.m. of 21st June 2022, and today is Tuesday. So guys, let me tell you why mud is important and not concrete on the roads. You see how much rain is falling? You can hear the loud thunder. बाप रे, ये वाला इस तरह का तो बिजली कभी नहीं चमका था, इतना डेंजर. बहुत ही जोर आवाज आया बिजली चमकने का, एकदम डर गया सब कोई. So what I was explaining, mud is important on these parts and not cement concrete, because mud soaks water pretty well, whereas cement concrete, which nowadays all the foolish government of India is making use of on the roads. They're covering the roads with concrete blocks, which is bad. If you have mud, it will soak the water very quickly. Magic of mud. इतना जल्दी सोक कर लिया वाटर को रेनफॉल का. अभी 1 घंटा भी नहीं हुआ है बारिश को बंद होके. You have concrete blocks everywhere. You will see water, jam water. Tomorrow you're gonna see in newspaper that many roads were jammed with water, clogged drains and everything. We are experiencing very heavy rainfall and very loud thunderstorm here in parts of Jamshedpur. On 21st June 2022, today is Tuesday. Again I'm saying, again I'm telling, again I'm reminding. Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So we are at the Marine Drive, just checking out the water level of the DOMUHANI river, and as you can see, the water level has risen up because of the continuous rainfall for the past 2 to 3 days. That's the new construction bridge.